Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. I am so pumped about today's video. I cannot wait to dig in to this huge box. But before I get started, welcome. So happy you're here. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Zena. This is Wyatt. Basically, their job is just to look adorable during my videos, and they do a pretty good job. But they do a lot of sleeping too. All right. I would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button because I do try to bring you something exciting each and every day. And I do think today is going to hit the mark. Let's dig right into it. I have something brand new to my channel and something completely brand new. Oh, I have this huge box. Let me see if I can even get all of it into the camera. Check this out. Can I? Check it out. Holy moly, right? Enormous box, major weight behind it. It is called the Stylist box from Decor Steals. This is a new subscription. The Decor Steals is just starting up. This is the inaugural box I have for you that we're going to dig right into. And it's all about amazing home decor deals. Okay, a little bit about it before I dig into this box. The value of this box is $350. The cost is $99.99 a box. It is a seasonal subscription. However, you do not have to sign up for any type of schedule. You just go to their site as a member and get your box whenever you like. So this is the summer box, which is their inaugural box. So if you decide that you wanted the fall box, you would just go into your account and order the fall box. It does not come to you automatically. So no subscription or annual commitment at all. The new boxes come out each quarter for the season. And with the purchase, you'll get access to their exclusive add-on shop, which means that shipping on those items is only $5 no matter how many purchases that you make in the shop with the box. It also says with purchase you'll get access to style guides that give you advice and deeper look into the design of each item. All right, there you get 7 items in your box, and we're going to open this up and see what this first box looks like. All right, we're going to try not to disturb the happy crew behind me, right? They're pretty content. These are all high-end quality items that have been curated, and considering the size of this box for 7 items, I cannot wait to see what they sent and what they curated for this box. And it's heavy. I could not carry this box for any length of time, let me tell you. All right, so I got a little envelope here. It says hello there from Stella Box. They have a digital style guide, so inspiration awaits. And they give you the little barcode in order to pull that right up. Oh, look how cute this is. This is not a postcard. It's a hug for you. So cute. Why do I like that so much? So basically, you can send this to somebody. I love it. I love it. All right, and we're going to dig in. So here is what I see. It says when you're ready to show them off, you can tag on social media. And on the other side, you guys can see that, it says, the wait is over. Our new favorite pieces have finally arrived. And it says, thank you, from the bottom of our hearts on the little sticker right here at the top too. So cute. Okay, first item, let's see if I can get it out here. They do have a lot of great tight packaging in here with some marked as empty so that you know. All right, let's see. I'm going to grab something small first. Here's the first box. So the first item is a wood vase. Love all the wood grain in there. You can smell the wood. How pretty is that? little bit of like farmhouse decor, right? Very pretty. That's the first item. Zena left me a spot here, so now I can start to put items. She can tell there's going to be things going everywhere. Next box. Okay, this one looks like a little pot. Looks like 2 halves. This is cute. You see that? It has a little stand here. I think this goes right up. How does this work? Like that? All right, so there is 2 of them. So these look like bookends to me, right? You could put little flowers in these. You could do all kinds of different decor with them. Have them sit even just by themselves against the wall. You could put actual plants in these, but there's no drainage, so it would probably be hard. I think I would go with more fake. But all kinds of different decor. Doesn't even have to be flowers. These are adorable. I like them. Put them together or keep them apart. All right, let's keep going. Next up, look at this. Oh, I love it whenever I get any type of plant. And this looks amazing. Check this out. Oh, I love this. You can make this as thin or as wide as you like, no matter where you want to put it. Look at the bottom of it looks like actual like dirt. Pebbles. Check that out. And then the ceramic pot has actual bottom, little felt bottom here so that it won't scratch any surface that it sits on, if you can see that. I love this. I love a pretty plant inside, especially when it's big and I don't have to worry about taking care of it. Right? I love that. And it's a nice size. You can see it's not tiny. This is a nice size piece. I love it. Oh, that's exciting. All right, we're just going to fill up all around Wyatt. All right, there's so much. Whoops, Wyatt moved. He didn't like that, huh, buddy? That's all right. He's like, what is happening around me? Next. Wyatt, I think the plant is tickling Wyatt. All right, we're just going to move a pillow. How about that, buddy? And now we have plenty more room. You good now? You can move wherever you want to go. Okay? You good? All right. I can wait. Let's see what is in here. Oh, I have 2. There's not 1, there's 2. Right? That makes it even better. All right, so the first flat box had this Home Sweet Home little plaque in it. I like the little kind of cursive writing in this. Hopefully it's coming across. I'm going to put it against what was in the second bag here, so hopefully you guys can see this a little bit better. Isn't that cute? Look really pretty on a light wall, right? I like that. All right, Home Sweet Home. And then in the second bag, I have, it looks like a runner. Yeah, it's a runner. Table runner. Look how pretty this is in a nice neutral colors. Tan, black, not too dark though, and a little bit of white. It has the little pom-poms here at the bottom on the edges. And it's nice, it's a nice size. I like that. What do you guys think of that? This is a lot of stuff, I think, for $100, and we still have more boxes to get to here, so nice. All right, I'm going to keep going. This is fun. So fun. Next box. Oh, look at this. I think these are little tiered trays. Look how pretty. Here we go. Yeah, tiered trays, tiered wooden trays. So it has the black hardware, this nice wood grain finish. Check that out. Nice, but I didn't just get one. I got two. There's two in this box. Adorable. All right, and just so you can see the difference, I'll put one on top of the other. Love it. I love the little tiered tables, little tiered trays. We'll call them trays, but mini tables, right? These would be so pretty in almost any room in your house. So you could use them to prop things up as a centerpiece on your table. You could use them in the kitchen to put things on as decorative. You could even use them in an office or a living room or a bedroom. Love these. Okay, and I think we are down to the last item and the biggest box. I think maybe the heaviest item as well we saved for last. Yes, this was the weight in the box. All right, let's see what is in here. Okay, this is the final item. Look at this. This is gorgeous. So hopefully you guys can see all of this amazing detail here around the top. It's huge. This is a great large mirror. It has a lot of weight behind it, and it does have a hook here in the back. You could probably prop this up as well. I think the detail on this is absolutely gorgeous. And that's all the pieces. What did you guys think? For $99.99, I think these are amazing pieces, amazing picks, great steals. I think these are things that you would pay much more for, and to have them sent right to your door in a nice cohesive collection, I really do like them. So I love I don't know if you guys noticed, but like the wood graining that they kind of have looking around the edge of this. Let me show you here. Mirror goes so well with, you know, the trays. I love then, you know, that the little base, the wooden base, all of this goes so well. It looks so cute together that you could really do some nice design. I also like that this is not matchy-matchy, so you have some differentiation there. The little planters that are like could be bookends or some other decor that you can have some fun with. I love the plant and the home sweet home. Just great. And then the runner. The runner's the last item too. We still have in some great colors that would pretty much go with any home. All right, I'm going to try to put some pictures in here for you of how I place these pieces in my home. I hope you enjoyed this. Really excited. If you love home decor, I think this subscription box is going to be absolutely fantastic. Also, there's no commitments. You get this box whenever you like. That's great. All right. So $99.99 for the seasonal box. This one I just showed you was their summer box. I'll put all the information down below so that you can check this out. Would love to hear what you thought about these pieces. And please comment down below and let me know what you think. I already think I mention that you can shop their add-on box. So once you're a member, you can shop all of their add-ons and you can add those anytime you like as well. All right, guys, so happy you spent time with me today. So excited to be able to bring you this box on my channel. I think these are amazing pieces, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Would love if you have long haul and hit that subscribe. It really does help me continue to bring you unboxings just like this one. Until next time, everybody, bye-bye.